Mother.
All right, everyone.
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna let Rhonda come up a little further up in here. All right, this is called.
I see it.
Can you see it?
Holy.
We're gonna get a little closer here in a minute,
Oh
so
my
I'm gonna
word.
give you time to see it. It's small.
Sorry, we're having a little aneurysm over here.
And it's got kind of a Cahokia base.
Oh, yes, of course. You're fine.
I've never seen one like that.
That is
Do you
gorgeous.
see it, Rhonda?
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah.
Okay, now you guys see it, right? Yeah.
You want to pick it? You want to pick it?
No.
I don't want to touch it. It's so cool. Sorry. Okay, I'll leave you alone.
No, come back here.
We haven't opened.
Come back
She
here.
hasn't got it out yet.
You know what? I see a tip, I think.
Oh yeah, of course it is. Those things are always beautimous. Look at that.
Oh my lord.
Girlfriend, amazing. That is beautiful. Look at you. That is so sexy.
That is amazing.
Girlfriend, good.
Freak.
That is so...
Silent freak.
I know. That is so awesome.
That's stuck to it. It's frosted on there.
It's still frosted.
Oh my god.
Fine,
It's
girl.
got like a red and then it's got a little bevel on it too.
That is awesome.
Who wants to hold it?
I can't see it. My eyes are... Oh, that is beautimous. I don't know if I can get that. Get out there. Shoot.
I was like, there's no way there's anything up here. We've been up here so many times.
Nope. Nope.
You think the freeze and thaw?
For this one.
No.
How about this? It's bigger. You get more freedom.
Oh wow.
Oh my god, that's awesome. Beautiful. Way to go, Ruth. Good job. Good job now.
This is so beautiful. Okay, I'm done.
Wow.
I am totally done. I'm totally done.
Comes up and digs in her spot.
Come right on up here. Holy moly.
You have to find those. Those are yours.
Those are fantastic. That's fantastic.
I dream of finding something like
When
that.
she says, when she was saying what she was saying,
You're like,
I knew.
did you see me sprint, turn, and go, screw what I'm doing?
That's all, yeah.
You know it's good. That was awesome. Yay! See, it's still...
It's got a little bevel to it.
Stuff here.
There is.
Probably walked over that thing. Where was all those bones at? Because
They were right there, right here.
Yeah, but good
The bones were right there,
patience.
and it was right here.
That's awesome.
You just need to come up a little bit.
Well, yeah, it's like we've already been here, but
I wouldn't have seen that. That was so hidden.
it took me a
jeez.
while to really...
I'm glad I switched my glasses.
Mother!